The main requirements for an individual to become obtain indefinite leave to remain here in the United Kingdom on the basis of the refugee status is the first requirement is the residence requirement, which is 5 years. After completing 5 years, an individual can apply for indefinite leave to remain. The other requirements include, amongst other things, good character. So if you do have any kind of convictions, whether they may be possible, even cautions, anything like that, that can affect an application for indefinite leave to remain. So hence, if you are in that situation, we will very strongly advise that you do seek legal advice regarding this, because it can be somewhat problematic. The other requirements are that when you do apply, the Home Office can ask you whether the situation in your country of origin has changed or not. So you have to prove that your situation is as it was approximately 5 years ago. So in other words, if that applicant goes back to their country of origin, they will still be persecuted as defined under the 1951 UN Convention. The other requirement, which unfortunately a lot of people seem to misunderstand, is if you are granted asylum from any country, that person is then not allowed to use that country's passport or allowed to travel to that country either. If an applicant is granted in refugee status, then the requirements are that they should apply for a travel document, and then obviously apply for a visa if appropriate, whichever country they wish to travel to. But do bear in mind, you cannot travel to your country of origin even on a travel document.